can actually withdraw the euro directly here into your bank account. All you need to do is provide your banking details into Binance. But if you want to withdraw the crypto, simply you can select what coin you want to withdraw. Say I want to withdraw some BNB. I have 5.1 BNB here. I will instead use Bitcoin because it's what a lot of you guys will be dealing with. So here I'm just going to put my BTC address, for example. I can put this on it, and I will now, it's showing me transfer network, right? And this is the different types of network that are available, and I want to use the main BTC network, and it's showing me the fee here that it's $13. So you can also send BTC using Ethereum, for example, but I don't want you guys to confuse yourself with those kind of chains. So stick to BTC over here, and you can put the amount that you want to withdraw over here, and then you click submit. If you have two-factor authenticator activated, it's going to ask you to verify through email or your phone and what have you. And that's really all it is when it comes to deposit and withdrawing. And now let's go back to the homepage, because we now have to look at the markets, because I know a lot of you guys are here to learn this platform in order to trade. So the next thing we're going to have to look at is markets. The markets simply means what coins or what pairs are available on Binance that you can trade. So there is a lot of markets here, right? By default, you're going to see the spot markets. There's also the zones and futures markets, and there's also the favorite. So if you have certain coins that you like to trade, it's good if you just click this star button to highlight them as your favorite, and then by default they will be here if you trade them. Okay, so I will go back to the spot because that's where a lot of them are, and here it says all. So it's showing you different type of coins based mainly sometimes on volumes in the last 24 hours and what are popular in the last 24 hours. But you can change things up. If you want to see something specific, you can select, for example, BTC markets. BTC markets is going to show you, if you click on BTC markets, it's showing you all the other altcoins that are paired with Bitcoin. So BNB to BTC, NEO to BTC, Chainlink to BTC, IOTA to BTC, and so on and so forth. You can also select fiat markets. This is now by default Binance use USDT as its fiat, or you can sometimes they may use BUSD. USDT is a stable coin. Most of you guys already know it's kind of like a dollar. It's a cryptocurrency, but it's like a dollar because it's 1-to-1 to the dollar. So if you go to fiat, it's showing you the Bitcoin price to the USDT, or you can see some of them are in BUSD and Euro or TUSD, different fiat currencies, including stablecoins. Okay, and you can also select which kind of stablecoin you want to be basing on. So if you want USDT only markets, you can click on here. If you want BUSD, if you want USDC, if you want USD, it should be here somewhere. Or you can use Euro, for example. If you're in Europe, that would also be helpful. Or you can use the British pound as well. ZAR market. There's so many of these guys. And you also have futures market, but we're gonna discuss futures in a separate video. So now you also have zones, right? Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, and so you can say DeFi. Zones simply mean what the category of the coin. So for example, in DeFi we have all these coins. These are decentralized finance coins like Compound, Uniswap, Sushi, UMA. So this is just categorizing the coins. So if you want to focus on trading DeFi coins, this helps you to actually filter what you're looking at. Proof of work coins. Maybe you want to trade proof of work coins, and it shows you only proof of work coins, or proof of stake coins. Proof of stake coins are showing up on here, or storage coins, or innovation, and so on and so forth. So it depends what you want to be looking at. So enough for the markets. Let's go back into, and by the way, you can also, let me just go to spot. You can always search here if you want something specific that you cannot see. For example, if I want to see SNX, I need to simply just type it, and it will show me all the pairs available with a SNX, and then I can trade them. Okay, enough of that stuff. So let's now go to the main deal, right? The trading desk, because I know a lot of people are waiting for that, a lot of you guys. So you click on here, trade. You see it has convert, classic, advanced, margin, and P2P. Okay, so first I'm gonna go to the convert. The convert function is what you use to convert a certain cryptocurrency to another, to swap, right? So I have USDT here. If I had to want to convert some of it into BNB, for example, right, I will simply click what coin do I want? I want BNB. So I'm just going to type 1 BNB. And how much is it? I can click preview conversion. And it's showing me that, okay, to convert my USDT into 1 BNB, I'm gonna have to pay 32.2 USDT. And quote expired, please request new quote. This is because the market is volatile, things are always moving, so you always have to refresh and you might see a different price now. Okay, oh, now we have a different price. Okay, I can click convert and simply it will convert. Or alternatively, I can go back and type, I only want to convert $20 of my money into BNB, and then I can say preview conversion, and it's showing me that, okay, with your $20 will give you 0.6 BNB, and if I want, I can simply, oh, it's now expired again. So you need to be fast with this one, but this is very this is pretty much for amateurs. This is not, I don't recommend that you guys it expired again. I don't recommend that you guys use convert. You're better off using the exchange. It's a little more advanced, but it's better that way because the fees are much better. So you can see this is already done. The convert is fast and convenient, but it's very expensive in terms of transaction fees. The next thing you see is the classic. So this is kind of the exchange user interface that is called the classic on Binance. But to be honest with you, it's not better than the advanced one. So this, you might as well just skip this at all and go directly start using the advanced one, because this one I think sucks in so many ways. So I will go straight into the advanced. But if you learn how to use the advanced, you will also be able to use the other one. Basically, once you learn this, you'll be able to apply this knowledge on any other exchange. So it doesn't really matter what it is really. So now we are in our trading desk, guys. So you can see right now it's by default and on cross. We want to click on spot, right? It was on cross 3x. This is margin. I want it to be at spot. So you always want to check this, making sure that it's at spot by default if spot trading is what you're trying to do. All right. And now what we